In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the Microsoft Authenticator app when it says no internet connection. Let's get started. First, make sure your internet is working properly by checking your Wi-Fi or mobile data and opening a website to confirm it. Next, check your phone's date and time. For that, launch settings, go to General. Now scroll down and head over to the option date and time. Make sure you have enabled for this option set automatically. Likewise, you will need to clear cache for the app Microsoft Authenticator. To do that, head back, navigate to the option General, click on iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Authenticator and launch it. Now click on the option of Float app, click on a Float app, wait for a few minutes and then click on Reinstall app. Likewise, update Authenticator app. To do that, close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Authenticator. Now if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Now lastly, what you want to do is give a fresh restart to your device. Likewise, completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. With these, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.